Welcome to this very quick overview over what IO Cloud Administration. So you have a dashboard, you have a product menu, you have a material menu, and you have a client menu. You also have a setting where you can see all the different team settings and also which teams you are a part of. You always have your own private team, but you can also be part of other manufacturer teams. So let's have a quick look of the team settings. You actually have your settings, you have your intro headline, your logos, your intro YouTube, and here is also where you have the ability to add different team members to your actual team. And you can add team members as you are the owner of the team. Clients is the brands you work for, and these can be different type of companies. And of course, if we have a look of some of these, you can edit, and here is the client name, logo, and contact information. This will also be a part of the actual product unit view. The material database is here, and you can use any of these data that is part of your team, or you can use materials that have the globe, which then is material that are useful in any kind of team project. Products is under products assemblies, and you can easily add a new product. You can also go in and edit products that is already done. And if we go into the Gearbox distributor and have a look, this is the edit button. So here is a product name, description. You have the different type of images up there, and you can assign it to a specific client. You can also go down in deeper into this product, and then you actually dig into the assembly subparts of the product. So you can see that this part have a lot of different article number SKUs, subparts. It has a body bottom shell, top lid, and so on, a lot of gears and some other hex nuts and so on. Each of these individuals you add as a new part. I can also go in now afterwards and edit these parts and say that this is bottom shell, and actually this is a new function. You can add main part. This is where the actual NFC tag is. And there's also separate download and upload of 3MF files and these kind of things. We will go much deeper in another episode of that. But on each product, so you have a lot of individual part. You also can see how many parts have been fabricated, and this you can see here. And here you have the serial number from the NFC chips. You can also see when they were manufactured, and you can actually also bring up a QR code which will have the same URL, static product URL, as if you would actually tap the product with a phone, with a chip inside, obviously. You also have the setting for the product page editor, where there is additional information, and you can upload assembly documentation, you can link to YouTube movies, you can set additional material information, recycling information, and actually tell how the system should handle spare parts and how it actually should be viewed. And the last thing I would like to show, that even if we don't have now an NFC tag available here, you can always go in and click on the serial number on a programmed item, and then you will actually get web-based view where you can have an overview and see what will actually look like on the phone, what is the information that will be available when a product is actually tapped. So this is a very, very short, brief introduction to what IO and cloud administration. Every item, every part of the menus will be much more detailed in coming videos. Thank you very much.